8 persons are reported dead after a boat headed for Bajuti, a community in the Krachi West district, capsized on the river Oti. The accident is alleged to have resulted from the overloading of the boat with about 16 persons for a boat designed to carry just 8 persons. A former assemblyman for Krachi in Chumuro, Kingsley Chamba, in a Citi News interview said members of the community often refuse to use life jackets even when they are provided for them. The following report has more.
Normally, say more cost water coming now. You have to, wash away the water so that until whenever you reach your destination. So it couldn't happen, and the number supposed to be less than 8 members, but the numbers boat in our fund was about 15 or 16, including children. See, we lost 4 of the children, including them. We have informed it's the what to say is the 3 sister district, Krachi West and Krachi Chumuru. So the funeral is around Krachi West, and they are coming from Krachi Chumuru. So DISEC and NAGMU will be meeting this afternoon. Both districts, Municipal Chief Executive and the DC, as I said, DISEC will be meeting the NAGMU